Howdy y'all, my name is Brian Omana at Texas A&M University, and today I will be teaching you guys about the basics of Lewis structures. There are essentially 5 easy rules. Step 1. Count valence electrons. You could do so using a lovely periodic table to determine how many valence electrons are in each of your elements. For example, carbon is in group 4A, therefore it will have 4 valence electrons. Step 2. Determine the central atom, which is usually the least electronegative. And keep in mind that electronegativity increases as you go up and to the right. Step 3. Draw bonds between the central and remaining atoms. Step 4. Keep in mind that the third period and below can violate the octet rule due to more capacity. This doesn't always apply, just keep it in the back of your mind. Step 5. Formal charges should add up to the charge of the molecule, and ideally you want 0. To calculate formal charge, you do the number of electrons minus lines minus dots. Step 1. Count valence electrons. Phosphorus has 5 valence electrons because it is in group 5A, but to satisfy its octet rule, it needs 8. Bromine has 7 because it is in group 7A, but again, to satisfy its octet rule, it needs 8. But keep in mind, there are 3 bromines, so you have to carry that out when you multiply. So you multiply and get a total of 26 electrons needed in your Lewis structure. And then to find the number of bonds that you need, you do 32 minus 26, which gets you 6, divide that by 2, 3 bonds. Step 2 and 3. You establish that phosphorus is your central atom because it is least electronegative. You then draw the 3 bonding pairs and the 3 bromines. And then you have to satisfy each is octet rule, so you need 3 lone pairs, which gets you 6 electrons for each bromine, and then 1 lone pair for the phosphorus. Step 5. Formal charges. So to calculate the formal charge for phosphorus, it has 5 electrons minus 3 bonding pairs, aka 3 lines, minus 1 lone pair, aka 2 dots, which gets you 0. For bromine, it's 7 valence electrons minus 1 bonding pair, aka 1 line, minus 3 lone pairs, aka 6 dots, which gives you 0. Without further ado, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful rest of your week.